Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your email marketing in Mailchimp using automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your email marketing in Mailchimp using automations, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Automations tab located in the main menu. Click on the Create button to start a new automation. You'll be presented with different automation options. Select the automation that suits your marketing needs. After selecting your automation, you'll need to set up your trigger. Triggers determine when your automation will be sent. Next, configure the audience for your automation. Choose the specific list you want your automation to target. Once the audience is set, customize the email content. Mailchimp offers templates you can use or you can create your own from scratch. Make sure to include a compelling subject line that grabs attention. Now, edit the email body to include personalized content relevant to your audience. Incorporate dynamic content fields to make your emails more engaging. After finalizing the email design, proceed to the automation settings. You can adjust the timing for when the automation will be sent. Consider options like sending immediately or scheduling for a specific date and time. Review all the settings you've configured to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click on the Start Sending button to activate your automation. To monitor performance, head over to the Reports section. Analyze the open rates and click rates of your emails to make necessary adjustments. If needed, you can pause or edit your automation at any time. Remember, regularly updating your email content will keep your audience engaged. Utilizing automations effectively will enhance your overall email marketing strategy. Continue to test and refine your automations for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.